Good morning senior school students, teachers and parents. Welcome to our Week 9 Senior School Assembly.
I would like to respectfully acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which this event is taking place.
I pay my respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
Please welcome Chappie Hannah.
Hi everyone, it's Chappie Hannah here. Next Wednesday the 24th of June we're having a crazy sock and shoe day. Feel free to wear the craziest socks you have and some closed-in shoes. Bring a gold coin donation and that will support my role here as chaplain for 4 days a week. Thank you, bye.
Please welcome our house captains.
Good morning students, staff and carers. Our Term 2 points update for the 2020 House Championships are:
in third place, Bradman with 1,969 points, and the only winner is Bodie.
In second place, Rafter on 2,343.
And the winner is Talia.
In first place, O'Neill with 2,667 points. The only winner is
Catherine Greathead.
Here are today's student notices. The lost property boxes in the senior and junior offices will be emptied at the end of the term. Some items are shown here behind me. The senior office also has some miscellaneous items. If you have lost something, please ask the senior office. Computers at break time. Please remember that students are only permitted to use their device in the library during break times or in the Da Vinci's workshop for Minecraft. Students using devices in the playground will be directed to the library or will have to put the device away immediately. ICAS competitions in English, spelling, mathematics, science and digital technology are coming up. Senior school students, please contact HODS if you're interested. Year 10 immunisation forms were due today, even if you don't intend on getting the immunisation. Earnshaw State College strongly recommends all students follow the immunisation schedule to help protect our community. The house t-shirts have now been completed and are awaiting collection. Year 7 to 12 students can collect them from the senior office at second lunch.
From the Environmental Club, students please remember to place your 10-cent containers in the cage near the D block stairs. Containers should be empty with no lids or straws. Art competitions. Earnshaw students have been invited to participate in creating an artwork with the theme, "What will travel look like in 50 years?" This needs to be submitted to Mrs. Corbetitz by the 26th of June on A3 paper. This can be digital or drawn by hand. The selected artwork will be placed in a time capsule and homed at the Kingsford Smith Memorial Brisbane Airport. All entries will receive Ernies. The second art competition is open to all students and can be a creation to express what 2020 means to you. Entries can be hand-drawn or digital on A4 size. Winning entries will be combined into a tea-towel print that can be purchased later in the year. Entries to admin offices by the end of term 2, please. The end-of-term competition for this term will be a handball competition run at the amphitheatre in lunch breaks on the last day of term. Year 7 to 9 competition is in lunch 1, Year 10 to 12 competition lunch 2, and there are prizes for the winners and a barbecue at second lunch for all students who participated. To register for the competition, please see Mr. McCormick in the C Block kitchen at lunch times by today. From Ms. Hills, please see Ms. Hills before the end of the day if you are interested in the construction industry right card course. Also, students undertaking the Certificate 1 in construction in semester 2 must return permissions by today. You also need to complete your online enrollment. See your emails for instructions.
Winter school uniform reminders. Students have the option of wearing the college fleecy jumper or spray jacket. Alternatively, students may wear a plain navy jumper with no hood, patterns or logos. Miss Arundel is running a Spanish club on Monday's second lunch in F30 for Year 4 to 12 students. Please see Eva to express an interest in joining Spanish club. Daily house quiz from Mr. Balfe. The daily quiz contest will continue until the end of term. Daily quiz house points as of Friday last week are Rafter with 332 points, O'Neill with 431 points and Bradman with 261 points. Today's question, what is a group of ants called? Please email Mr. Balfe with your answer. Year 9 to 11 students. 2021 TAFE at school applications open on Monday 13th of July, week 1 in term 3. See your emails for links to the course and price lists. If you intend to apply, you should speak to Miss Hills about getting your application started this term. A survey regarding Rewards Day next Friday has been sent to all Years 7 to 12 students. Please complete the form by Monday. Thank you for attending our virtual Senior School Assembly. Have an awesome week at Earnshaw.